McGrew with Thinkish, and we're here at Hunkeler Innovation Days, and this time we're with Vishal Sahay of SpencerMetrics, and he's got such an amazing story, and it's so important for anyone who prints. So let me introduce you to Vishal. So Vishal,
Hi Pat.
How are you doing? It's
I'm
good
doing
to see
great.
You again.
Good to see you as well.
So SpencerMetrics, when I see that name, I assume there's some sort of data thing involved, but what's the metrics in SpencerMetrics?
So the metrics is production metrics. We are helping print and packaging companies to be able to measure, analyze, and figure out ways of improving their operation. And metrics are all around what can you do and what should you track to be able to get that extra 2%, 3% more productivity.
So you can see the data coming in, and you also provide analysis.
Correct.
So somebody can make business decisions.
Yes.
Okay, so if that's the metrics, I mean, how many people can you connect to? What are the options?
We are perhaps the most multi-vendor platform in the industry right now. We have here at Innovation Days, we are connected to about 5 or 6 different manufacturers, both printing as well as finishing equipment providers. But there are pretty much most of the equipment providers that are here we are able to connect with and provide data for.
So we know that in digital printing, those printers are gathering a lot of data, so you're able to take that and help get it analyzed.
Correct. So we have developed intelligent software that can gather all this data from the machines directly, and we have a rich data set that we can then provide the users to analyze and understand things in context of what is going on with their production.
So now I also have finishing equipment in my shop,
Yes.
and I understand you have a new relationship with Bagrama on the die cutting.
We do, yes.
So it's not just the things I think of as traditional cutters or folders. There's this wide range of things you can talk to.
It is. I mean, technology, you can have, so many different types of finishing providers, and even with printing, you have roll-fed machines, you have sheet-fed, toner, you have offset and such. Plus, as you go into finishing, there's even more variety of equipment. But here's one platform that is enabling you to capture data from pretty much the entire dynamic range of the industry and be able to have a standardized way of actually managing that whole operation.
So one of the things right behind you is a screen where we're seeing a couple of HP machines, a couple of Horizon machines. So a typical shop, is that how do they have a big screen in their shop?
That is that's the purpose of this. So you have variety of machines, you can have multiple vendors, multiple technologies on your production shop, both printing and finishing, and then this dashboard allows you to provides you sort of a common lens to look at your entire factory and have common metrics that you can track in real time or in a historical way to understand what should be done to try and improve that.
And in addition to what I see on the screen, there's additional metrics being captured that are used in the analysis.
Correct. There's a whole robust set of data analytics that are built in the background so that you can look at trends of, machine uptime, downtime, operator efficiency, job tracking, waste, tons of different things. We are also dabbling into AI, where all this analysis can then be powered by AI platform in the back end to provide insights to help people comprehend all this data in a much faster and easy way.
It is a lot of data.
Yes.
Vishal, thanks so much for explaining it, because the metrics part is really important in SpencerMetrics. We hope you have a wonderful show here at Hunkeler and to whatever your next show is.
Thank you, Pat.
Thanks.